Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the Robuilder YouTube channel. Today we're continuing with the swords for my brand new game, and you guys went absolutely crazy. Yesterday I made a video where I made this sword right here, and I said, hey, if you guys would like to make a sword for the game, let me know. Alright, just let me know, and you can send me the blend file if you want me to use it in the game. Look, all of these guys have sent me their Blender files, and I'm putting them in here. So real quick, before we get crazy into it, if you would like to make a sword to put in the game, there's gonna be like hundreds of swords, okay? Like, there's an unlimited amount. Now, I'll be making some more as well, but if you would like to make a sword to put into the game, all you have to do is send me the Blender file after you model it. You don't have to texture it. I'll be doing all of that just so I can make sure that everything matches well and everything like that. But with that being said, I need to texture all of these swords today. So I don't know exactly what's the best, what's the worst. I mean, this sword right here is probably the coolest one we've gotten so far because it like wraps around real cool, and this one's cool because it's the most original. I also want to say they don't have to be swords, they just have to be considered a weapon. There could be like sledgehammers, baseball bats, like anything that's like that sort of a weapon, you know, like swords, sledgehammers, baseball bats, wiffle ball bats, even like the plastic ones, like a balloon animal bat, anything that you could kind of swing is what I'm looking for. Okay, so if you guys want to submit any, all you have to do is send the Blender file to DM me on Discord. With that being said, it's time to hop in and start texturing. So I want to do all of the blades the same. Let's go ahead and, ooh, very nice. We could just select the blade. I have a feeling it's not going to be that easy all the time. And I also have a feeling I'm going to have to decimate this a little bit because there's quite a bit going on here. So I may decimate it. But for now, I'm not too worried about that. Let's project from view real quick. There we go. And then A over here, S to scale, and put it right. I believe we were using this one, or was it this one? I'm just gonna double check real quick. Yeah, okay, so we were definitely using that one. Let's go. We have it here. Let's add on our texture, base color, image texture, and click on the 256. Look at that, we're already matching. Now, of course, we have all of this to texture as well, and all of these. So I'll probably get about halfway done and then do a little checkup with you guys because it's gonna be pretty boring if I just, you know, rinse and repeat that process all across these. So I'll do about half of them, and then I'll check in with you guys so you can see what's up and how we're looking. Alright guys, I've been texturing this one for a little bit of time now, and I don't know what exactly is wrong with it. It looks like they used a mirror modifier and it like messed up somehow. I'm not exactly sure, but I don't think all of this is supposed to be doubled. Like, it looks very strange in here. It looks like just a lot of stuff doesn't really add up. Like, if we grab this and just delete them, that looks a lot better already. And it looks like they used a mirror modifier and like it just started splitting more and more towards the bottom. So I'm not sure if we can actually like use this one or not. It's just kind of strange, and I don't know what to delete and what to keep. Like, it doesn't exactly make sense to me, but I'm trying out here. I already messed up. We're going for the outside ones, but then it just gets lost. Like, I don't know. Okay, whoever made this one, if you're watching this video, could you maybe try to resend it? I don't know when it got messed up, but for now, I gotta delete it. I also want to check out one more thing while I'm here. Oh, yikes. Yeah, so I've also have a bit of stuff that I'm gonna have to fix. Which isn't too bad. This one looks super cool, but I just can already tell there's gonna be a lot of a mess with this sword right here. And this guy shouldn't too bad. Let me just grab like everything. Oh, it's the whole, so I could just do this and then Alt N, flip. There we go, the blade's fixed, and then I gotta grab this guy and this guy, Alt N, and flip. There we go, that sword's good to go. This one, I think I'm gonna have to delete this one for now, guys. This one right here, whoever made this one, I appreciate your submission, and it looks sick. If you could just figure out the mirror modifier and get that all worked out and resend it, that would be dope, because it's not, there's no modifiers here, but it looks like you used mirror, so just let me know. Thanks though, my guy. I'm gonna delete it for now. This sword is about to be a mess. Like, let me just, oh, all right, let's just, all right, and it all selects in one piece. This is bad. The sword's not bad, but fixing it is gonna take a very long time. All right, this sword is absolutely sick. I've been working on it for a little bit, and it's just not working out. So this face right here, when I click on it, it selects all of these, which is so weird. and it selects this top one out here. But I just want these ones and these ones. So maybe I could try it like this. I don't know. This sword, oh, this one's just a headache. Honestly, I can't imagine building it, but just like going in and fixing it is a headache. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. And now we have like a weird, I don't know how they made this, like why why they did it like this. I really couldn't tell you. It looks like this side's a gap, so I don't know what's going on. I really don't. But I could grab this face, drag it back in, something like that. I have a feeling we're gonna have at least 1 or 2 export errors with just this guy. Let me flip that face as well. That looks good. And I think for the blade, that's as good as we're gonna get, okay? I gotta do the rest of it now and then color it, but oh, this one right here is definitely a headache. All right, that took a lot longer than I would like to admit, and I still don't know if we're gonna be a-okay or not. Oh, I still have more. It's not too much more, but a little bit more. I'm gonna be back when this one's textured because this is definitely gonna be the longest out of all the projects. Is this just, I don't know how it got messed up this bad. I thought I was done. There's just so much little details. All right, guys, this sword, it's almost a lost cause. I've been trying for a good little bit of time, and it's just, I don't know, it's not working. This side of the little top's all weird and messed up. This side looks fine. I don't know. It'll be one of those things that we may or may not use. Whoever made this one, if you want to, try to fix it up a little bit and resend it, it's probably the coolest sword out of the bunch. Either this one or this one, but like just because of all the details, I'm gonna have to say this one. But there's just a lot of errors, and I don't have time today to fix all of that. I might hop back in and try some more later on, but for now, it's staying right there how it is. Up next, all of these. All right, guys, so I've been making a little bit of progress. Another thing I want to say, if any of you guys are like looking at these swords and thinking, bro, I can't make something that good, we need starter swords too, so the game will be getting progressively cooler. Simple swords, super complex swords, anything you want to do is okay. More simple will be more towards the beginning of the game, more complex will be more towards the end of the game. But this one right here is definitely another headache to texture. In fact, I'm gonna put this color palette in the Discord server. I'm gonna put it in the dev resources tab right at the bottom so you guys can get it. And if you want to texture it so you can pick the colors and everything like that, you can, and then it'll be really easy for me to put it into this Blender file and it'll already have the texture on it. But I'm gonna show you guys why this one here is a headache, okay? So it looks like they triangulated everything and you can't actually just select what you want. So for example, say I want this and I press L to select, it just grabs like a little tiny piece, which is, it's kind of just a headache, guys. All right, but I'm getting closer and closer to finishing texturing all this stuff, and then we can wrap this one up. All right, guys, so I finally finished up this guy and I started working on this one. Now whoever made this guy, there happens to be no back to it, like no backside at all. So I don't know if you had a mirror modifier on or maybe didn't apply it or how this happened, but there's no backside. So I can't really work with this one, but if you want to fix it up and resend it to me, I got you, my guy. There's only 3 more swords to go. Oh my gosh, I started this like 2 hours ago. 2! I'm the slowest texturer ever. I ain't gonna lie, the 2 of them just took me a long time. The rest were super quick. Alright guys, we are finally done texturing all of you guys' swords. I don't know what I'm uploading tomorrow. I'm gonna hope that I can get a fixing free Roblox games video out. It's been so long since I've done one of those, and I think I'm ready to build that last zone and get it going. The reason that series has been a little bit on hold is because the scripter for it just started their college classes again, so I'm trying not to like interfere too much with his life. He's just helping me out of the kindness of his heart and just being a nice guy, really. So that's why that thing is a little bit slowed down, but here's all the swords we have so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 swords out of, who knows, probably hundreds, honestly. So all the help you guys are giving me is going to be greatly appreciated in the grand scheme of things. I'm going to build a few more today. Hopefully you guys can send a few more today. We'll see how it goes, but if you did enjoy this video and you want to see more content like this, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Later.